Hi guys, Black Eyed here. So we're going to do a short unboxing and review of my DWR U2000 5G MiFi or pocket router, okay, from D-Link. So actually I got this device cause I'm a frequent traveler and I want to have a standalone data connection, okay, and that supports 5G. So I found this online, and to be honest, it's a very good product, So actually this is a pocket router. It can broadcast Wi-Fi signal. At the same time, it is also a power bank. So yes, it is a power bank that you can use to charge your phone. Okay, so here's the box. As you can see, here's the device itself. It is supported 5G. Okay, then yeah, here's the theoretical 5G speed it can support. It has type C. Okay, you can use multiple users. Okay, then at the side, so yeah, 5000 milliamps light ion battery, type C cable. Oh, this is the what's inside the box. Okay, and it also supports app. Okay, and the full features are here. Okay, actually live in Cainta, we don't have any 5G coverage here, but when I go to other locations like in QC, Manila, okay, they have 5G and the speed is very good, no? So let's do a quick unboxing on this one. Here's the box. As you can see, here's the device. Actually nabuksan ko na siya, but I just put it again in plastic. Okay, so here's the device itself. Okay, alright, so it has a very good weight on it, it's very high quality. Syempre, it's made by D-Link. Okay, later we'll check the device itself, no? So ano pa yung kasama niya? So from the box you get the, of course, the cable. Okay, it supports type C, no? So also it supports reverse charging, no? So pwede mo siyang gamitin as a power bank. Okay, and a quick install guide and a SIM card removal tool. So here's the power button here. Then here are the LED lights. Here's for the Wi-Fi signal, the battery, and if you're receiving 4G or 5G cellular signal, depends on your location. Then on the side, here is where you put your SIM card. Parang phone lang siya, no? Nasa gilid. Yan. Then at the side, here is reset. If you want PS button, if you want to connect your Wi-Fi device via WPS. And at the back, yeah, there's some information about the default SSID and password, no? And you can also use the app, no, to change the default SSID and password. Those who are wondering if it is easy to install and configure, actually it is plug and play. So yes, trust me. So if you connect your SIM card, actually I tried a few SIM cards, no. I have Smart prepaid, I have Globe prepaid, postpaid, and Dito prepaid. I think Gomo I also tried it, it works, no? Typically it works on all. Alam ko, D-Link already tested naman it to work on all local networks. So when you plug it in, when you insert your SIM card here and you turn it on, just like so, just press and hold the power button, yeah, and it will light up like that, and it will automatically, okay, I think the APN and the dial number has already been saved onto this device, so it will automatically connect to your telco, and all you have to do is connect to the default SSID and password, and you're good to go. Simple as that, no? And of course, if you want to change the default SSID and password, no, you may do so via this app, no? Ito lang po yung app natin. And you can just download the D-Link Mobile Connect app, available on both Android and iOS. And you can configure everything there. Okay, this device also supports Wi-Fi 5, so dual band po ito for the Wi-Fi, no? So you can connect to the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz band. Actually, I'm pretty happy with this device. I'm satisfied. It's very fast. Oh, as you can see, I'm not sure what SIM that I'm using, but I'm getting 5G signal here. Okay, so it's very nice to have if you are a traveler or if you want to share your connection. Okay, it's a very nice 5G product to have. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching and see you to the next video. Bye guys.